With all the seating options you could ask for and an incredibly large bathroom, the Aria 3902 is a Thor Motor Coach featured floor plan.
There is so much room and so many amazing features to show off in here. Where do you even begin? With the hand-laid porcelain tile floors, the high-gloss Amish handcrafted cabinets, the fireplace. How about a look at your seating options? We'll start campside with this large booth dinette. Here's your TV with soundbar and Blu-ray player. On the other side, you have these great reclining theater seats right next to your comfortable sofa. Up front, your captain's chair swivel, so go ahead and put your feet up. Or how about climbing up to the power drop-down bunk? The sofa and dinette also make into great places to spend the night. The kitchen in the 3902 is set up for spectacular meals. You have solid surface countertops with pull-out extension, a double bowl stainless steel sink, dual burner electric induction cooktop, pop-up outlet, convection microwave, residential fridge, and all the storage a chef could ask for. You have a great setup in the bathroom, dual vanities with a large medicine cabinet above and storage below. Back here, a large shower with skylight with glass door. And the 360 siphon is there to make sure your Aria is always fresh. You are gonna love the bedroom in the 3902 with a king-size tilt-a-view bed with cabinets above. Across this large nightstand, accommodating closet, your TV, and a standard stackable washer and dryer. In the Aria, you have a 7-inch app-enabled multiplex wiring system with full-color touchscreen. So from inside or out, you can grab a real-time check of your tank levels, power, control your slides, lights, set your auto gen start, and set the perfect climate. It's easy to stay connected in the 3902 when you set up your own private and secure internet hotspot with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G Wi-Fi system. The Aria also comes standard with a 100-watt solar charging system with power controller. The Cockpit is designed for all-day comfort and ease of use. Here you have two screens. On the right, your touchscreen dash radio infotainment center with navigation, Sirius XM satellite radio, and Bluetooth connectivity. On the left, your 3-camera monitoring system. The 3902 packs an ISBXT 6.7-liter diesel with 360 horsepower and 800 pound-feet of torque, a 6-speed Allison transmission, and a 10,000-pound hitch. Team all that up with air-ride suspension, a 55-degree wheel cut, then build the Aria on the Atlas foundation. Now you have a motorhome ready for adventure. The 3902 is ready for you to live it up outside. Under the power patio, you have a large TV with soundbar and a swivel. This is perfect. And there's room for everything you want to bring along with large pass-through basement storage with easy slide storage tray. So, where are you going first to show off your Aria? This is the Aria 3902. Explore more at thormotorcoach.com.